A very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Rucha Parekh, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, in the last lecture, we started with unit number 6, that is our national flag, and we completed activity number 1 and 2. So today we are going to start with activity number 3. Let's look further into it. Look at the picture of our national flag and describe it in 3 to 5 sentences. So here we need to write 3 to 5 sentences for our national flag. I am sharing those in a PDF format, so do complete it in the fair book. In the further continuation of activity, we have read the conversation. So here the same characters which we saw in activity number 2 is the conversation is being repeated. Sujal said, what is its importance? That means here its importance means what is the importance of national flag. Grandpa further says, the national flag is the symbol of every nation. Every nation has a flag. A national flag is the symbol of unity, honor, and freedom. Both public and private buildings, such as schools and courts, may hoist the national flag. So here, the grandpa is providing further information about the national flag. He says that national flag is the symbol of every nation. It symbolizes every nation, and every nation has a flag which represents the symbol of unity. Nation's national flag represents a symbol of unity and freedom. So here both public and private schools and courts may hoist the national flag. So here Alpa is trying to say that our class teacher has told us the history of national flag. Yesterday he informed us about the national flag. So Sujal said, please tell me what he said about it. So Sujal wants to ask Alpa that tell me what did your class teacher say to you about the history of national flag. Alpa said he told us about its 3 horizontal bands of equal size. So Alpa is providing him the information that he told us about the 3 horizontal lines of equal 3 horizontal bands of equal size to us. Grandpa said, yes Alpa, you are absolutely right. Do you know about the colors and their meaning? So here Grandpa is asking that you are right about the 3 horizontal bands, but do you know about why is the color selected and what does their meaning represent? So Sujal said, I know about the topmost saffron band stands for courage and sacrifice. So here Sujal is saying that yes, I know for what the saffron color stands. He says that the saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. Grandpa said, right, the bottom green band stands for life and prosperity, while the white band in the center stands for truth and purity. So here Grandpa is providing the further information about the next 2 bands, that is the white band and the green band. So he says that green band stands for life and prosperity, whereas the white band stands for truth and purity. So Alpa says, in the center of the white band is the blue Dharma Chakra, the wheel of law. So here Sujal asks, what does the blue color Dharma Chakra stands for? Grandpa said, dear, the wheel is the symbol of progress. It is the pride of the nation. Do you know certain rules must be followed whenever the national flag is hoisted? Alpa said, what are they? Will you please tell us? So here Grandpa is telling them that blue color Dharma Chakra is the symbol of progress and it is the pride of our nation. He also asked them that do you know the certain rules and regulations which are to be followed when the national flag is hoisted? Alpa is asking that please tell us the laws. Grandpa said, while hoisting the national flag, we must stand at attention position and salute it. Moreover, it should be preserved carefully and a torn flag should not be hoisted. So Sujal said, thank you grandfather, we will remember this forever. Grandpa, we have a national bird, a national flower, an animal, and a fruit. So, do you think we have a national fruit? Alpa said, I think it is khichdi. Grandpa laughed and said, now prepare it. So, here where Sujal is asking that we have a national bird, an animal, a flower, and a fruit. So, do you think we have a national food too? So, Alpa is saying, I think it is khichdi, and Grandpa is telling her to prepare it. So, dear students, today we heard the conversation of activity number 3, and we are going to write the question answers of activity number 4 in our fair book. So I am sharing a PDF containing activity 3 and activity 4. So do complete that in your fair book. Till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.